So I've been taking a time-lapse video of the plants growing. So like these are going to be flowers once they really bloom. It's really cool, I think, to see them come up. Like, you know, first they're these little green things and then they kind of look like little mushrooms. You can see how the flowers are starting to take shape. I think it's just so cool. So that's what I'm doing, and then I'm going to feed the birds. I made the mistake of leaving this feeder out all winter, and so I learned that you should not do that because it makes the food all stick. So I had to clean it out, and so I'm going to put some more food in here and put it outside. Looks like it's quite a beautiful day. Ooh, I have more flowers over there. Let's go see how they're doing. Yep, looks like we got some coming up. Looks like those are the only ones I can see right now. So let's go see the flowers that I got for Mother's Day. So these are the flowers that I got for Mother's Day. I think they're so pretty. So let's go plant them. So I usually put the flowers that I get for Mother's Day in the front yard. So this is... I'm going to put them in that rust-colored little pot thing. So let's do it. I gotta try to get my glove on here. So be patient with me, okay? Let's try to dig a hole. So after I get this all dug up, I'll stick it in there and then, oh that's right, don't take it out. I remember that, you just stick the whole thing in. So let's go get some water and we can water it. I'll go get my can. I have to take my glove off before I can pause this video, so bear with me. You know, I started thinking about this. I wonder if this is too shallow for these flowers. So I think this might be better. I used to have a bigger pot up here, but I put it in the back. So let's put it in the white one. You know, I wonder, is this the... Oh no, it's... Okay. So here we go. Give you lots of water to get going. It's a petunia. A red petunia. Alright, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.